omukoro gwo kukuza abaserukale ba UPDF gwabo murumbu yo muri Kampala kandi gwakorwa omuduumizi w'amahega ya UPDF Gen Muhoozi Kainerugaba n'abandi baserukale abari ahandengwa ezindi. Omukoro ogwo abaserukale ba UPDF 35 nibo bakuzibwa kandi abarimu ba Gen 11 Lieutenant General Jack Gonza bakasumba owa Chief Joint Staff Major General Christopher Damurira Serunjoji Director Criminal Intelligence n'abandi bingi. Abandi bayongerwaho inyota barimo ba Brigade 11 n'aba kani 14 abarimo Military Court Prosecutor Kano Aisha Patra. Lieutenant General bakasumba owakorosya bagenzi be ahabwo kuzibwa yasima President Yoweri Museveni ahabwo bhabuzi obwatwire n'abahereza.
A force that does not recognize excellence cannot expect excellence to thrive. Therefore, promotions are integral to building a force that remains dynamic, relevant, and ready for all missions, domestic, regional, and global.
Gen Muhoozi kugamba kwe yakwegamiza ekitabo kya Bibuli omurro ko mutwe gwe 12 n'omushorongo gwa 8 aho yabijosya okumanya emyoga yabo.
This truth is captured perfectly in the Gospel of Luke, which reminds us in chapter 12 verse 48, I quote, "From everyone who has been given much, much will be demanded. And from the one who has been entrusted with much, much more will be asked."
Gen Muhoozi hona yahabura besimbireho okukuratira ebiragiro ebitirweho akakiiko k'ebyobururu no kureba ngo abatezi b'akaruru baheza kukateera biine kutaaha.
We appeal to citizens to cast their votes peacefully and go home, not to hang around the polling stations. The vote counting and tallying process will be transparent and is done in the open. Each individual candidate's agents will be present, and these include presidential, the directly elected MPs, and women MPs. That is on the 15th of January, 1 month from now.
Aho noho yajumirira abarikwenda kushisha obusingye bw'ihanga omukaruuru ko nibija kukorwaho n'omukono gw'ekyoma.
In addition, we strongly urge all political actors during this electoral season to abide by the Independent Electoral Commission guidelines and to cooperate fully with the security forces for the safety of all. Those who try to cause trouble, as I've heard some people proclaim, will be dealt with swiftly and with all the tools at our disposal and in accordance with the law.
Yasima n'amaka g'abaserukale ahabwo kwemerera ekibahwerire okuheereza gye kurungi.
This professional force is a product of visionary leadership. We therefore have to thank His Excellency the President and Commander-in-Chief, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, for his strategic guidance to us at all times. We also thank all the commanders in your various capacities for executing your duties.
Oguyahamiza abaserukale ku gavumenti eriyo nekora obucweka ihembe okureba ngo emiturire yabo yahinduka. Oguyashaba ebyokwerinda okuzahabuza oramisho omukaruuru n'okuremesa enkozi z'ebibi obutashisha karuuru aka gasha kwa Damba Tadewo omuri Kampala.